Hi, this is Roger Eastlick, and in this video tutorial I will show you how to create a new autoresponder list in the autoresponder service Aweber. Aweber is a very popular autoresponder list. It's probably one of the most popular, especially among internet marketers and other folks that professionals on the internet. Autoresponder, of course, is just basically it's a database, a way of getting people to give you their emails and their names, and to be able to have them in a service where you can easily send them out emails and build a relationship with them. So in order to do this, what you want to do is navigate to aweber.com. That's AWEBER.com. You'll come to this page right here, and then what you're going to want to do is log into your account. This does assume you already have an account. Go ahead and log into your account, and you'll come to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to do is click right here on Create and Manage Lists, and click on Create a New List. You put your name in there, or a name for your list. By default, it will give you one. If you want to put, you can put a description in there. I'm just going to put the name of the list in there, Bonus Crusher. You do have to have a from name. They're going to have you put in. You have to put an address of some sort in for return address. If anybody wants to, hits a reply button. And then there's a contact address that you need to put in. And as you can see, I already put mine in, and you'll need to put that in. And if you want email notifications, then you can put in an email that where you want notifications sent when somebody signs up for your list. So you can do that. Go ahead and click on Add button and put as many as you want in there. And now click on the Save Settings button right there. Alright, next thing we're going to do is, I really kind of skipped this. I mean, you can fill in your name, your website, and your email signature if you want to. I don't really do that, but you can. And you go ahead and click on Save Settings. Next thing I do is click on the Confirmed Opt-in. I mean, it just shows you can actually change this if you want to, but I kind of change this a little bit. Maybe something like, thanks for your interest in my newsletter. Before I can send you more information, you need to confirm your email. Something like that. Alright. If you want to, you can add a signature. You can just say, thanks, Roger Eastlick, to make it a little bit not quite as goofy. And then click down here on Save Settings. And you've got a list at this point. I have a list called Bonus Crusher right now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the web forms and create a web form. So I'm going to click on the create a new web form right here, and then click on the settings, and I just leave the name usually because it's for the list, so I don't really worry about that too much. The thank you page, I like to do the smart video version, and later on I'll probably make it so it's more customized and goes to my web page. But for right now, you just want some sort of a list up. Already subscribed page, I'm going to leave that as it is. I'm going to show the advanced settings. Right, and now I'm going to just click on Save Web Form, and then click on Publish, and then click on I will install my form, for example. And there's a couple different ways, but the easiest way to do it would be just to use the Java snippet, and you can just grab that, right click, and copy. And then you go to your blog, and this is just a base install of WordPress. And then you can log into your WordPress installation and click down here on widgets, and then go down here to text and just hover over it with your mouse, and then left click and drag that up to wherever you want your box to be. We're going to put it right underneath the search right here. It opens up, you click in the box, right click, click on paste, and save. And let's see how that looks. Okay, so now you've got a basic one, and there are a lot of different ones you can do, but that gives you, the biggest thing is that you have a form out there at all. You can actually, there's one thing you can do. Let's go back to the design for a second. If you want a really plain one, you can click up here in popular, click on here basic, or even, let's see, what do we have? We have this one right now, right? I would get rid of this, and I would get rid of this. Probably I can get rid of this as well. And now if we save it, it gives you a good basic form. Cool thing about using the JavaScript is when you go back, I don't have to change anything on this page. If I hit F5 to refresh, then now I've got you know, a basic sign-in box. Alright, and there you go. If they put in their name, their email, and submit it, they get a free newsletter. You could, I guess, the only thing I guess I would do there would be to, where we go, design, actually come back to the header again, and let's say free newsletter. Save that. If you want to, you can highlight this, click on the align center, you can make it bold, you can make it a little bit bigger. Save that. Looks pretty good. Save the web form. And now I think we're good to go, right? Free newsletter. Again, you can mess around with this all you want, but the main thing is that you get something out there. This was how to create an autoresponder, a new autoresponder list in the autoresponder service Aweber. This is Roger Eastlick. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.